days left in the season, Troy and his crew set out to catch the gator-eating gator. As he manoeuvres his boat to the bait lines he set yesterday, an eerie silence descends on the wave. We're on top of it.
Huh?
We're just waiting on the bottom, right?
Boy, he does not want to come on. Good! Watch out! Hey! We need help over here!
It takes all of Troy's strength to hold the alligator towards the boat.
Watch it! Woo! This is a Loch Ness monster. Hey! Got it, Jake. That's big, brother. You got him. Following that, we got that shot. 13-2. God dang.
At 13 feet 2 inches, Troy's caught Louisiana's largest alligator of the year.
We're gonna do the alligator shuffle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the alligator shuffle. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The Wisconsin had no idea.
There was something there.
They were haunting future celebrities.
I thought somebody or something was there.